there, my name is Dr. Lauren Dodds and I am a chiropractor here in Fairhope, Alabama. In this tool, I wanted to share with you a couple of my favorite tools to help support chronic muscle pain and tightness. The first one that I want to talk about is myofascial release. So myofascial release can be done with something as easy as a lacrosse ball. And what you can do is find tender or stiff points in a muscle, place that ball on that point, and lean against a wall or the floor to help push that ball into that muscle. And then sitting there for 2 to 5 minutes or until that tissue softens can be a great way to help break up fascial adhesions within the soft tissue. So if you haven't heard of fascia before, fascia is a connective tissue that surrounds every muscle as well as every individual muscle fiber. And when muscles aren't used properly or they get injured, this fascia can form adhesions, which can prevent it from working better even more. So myofascial release using lacrosse balls or things like yoga tune-up balls can really be helpful in breaking up those adhesions so that those muscles and that fascia can be restored to their optimal integrity. The other tool that I use that not a lot of people have heard about is supporting your cellular hydration. When you have chronically tense or tight muscles, it usually means that they are dehydrated. And I'm not talking about hydration as in the water you drink. I'm talking about hydration as the water that your mitochondria makes. So yes, your mitochondria not only makes ATP, it makes a specialized water called exclusion zone water. This is the water that is actually hydrating your tissues. And if your tissues don't have enough water, they become tense and they can become painful. So some of my favorite tools to increase your EZ water and support your mitochondria in making more of it is getting good infrared light. Infrared light is the wavelength frequency that's available when you go out at sunrise and sunset. This infrared light has been shown to increase exclusion zone water. So yes, getting outside during the sunrise and sunset can help your chronically tight muscles. The final tool that I like to use in my office is chiropractic care and cranial sacral therapy. So in our office, we use NUCA, which is an upper cervical specific technique. It restores proper alignment to the body. When the body isn't in the proper alignment, muscles, fascia are going to be used asymmetrically. This can lead to those fascial adhesions that we already talked about. But by restoring the muscle or restoring the alignment, we can restore its muscle to its optimum form so that it can function better. The same with cranial sacral therapy. Cranial sacral therapy is a fascia technique that also helps support unwinding of adhesions in the fascia. Between these two, we really support optimal alignment and function of the body. If I can support you with this, please head over to my website, www.sproutandshinechiro.com. I'd love to figure out how I can help you with your chronic muscle pain and tightness.